Hi guys, so this particular video will be a demo on doing a Kubernetes cluster backup. So in Kubernetes we do a cluster backup through the ETCD. ETCD is the central database where all the configuration objects, all pods, deployment services, all information is stored, and we can do a backup and restore. So if we take a backup and after that we make some changes, and if we want to restore it back, we can just take the backup file and restore, and that Kubernetes cluster will be snapshotted or restored to that particular point in time. So yep, let's get started. So in this particular demo I have a single node cluster. I just have one master and I will be doing the backup and restore on that master's etcd database. So here I have saved the my single node name. It's in the master variable, and for this, because I have a single master, I need to remove the taints. And for this demo I'll add some pod, and I'll show you the when I restore it, the pod will be gone. So this is one taint which is available on that master, and I need to remove that taint before I can schedule any pod. So this is the command. We can do a patch node on that master and remove the taint like this. So the taint has been removed. We can just confirm. Yeah, so taint has been removed. Now I can schedule a pod. So I am creating a pod. Name of the pod is before backup and nginx image. So we'll just let the pod run. Yeah, so it is running now, so we can move ahead. And now we have to become root to take the backup. So I have become root. We need to first install the etcd client if it's not there. So this is the command, apt install etcd client. So the client has been installed, and we have to check the certificates. Where are the certificates? And we can use that in etcd command. So the certificates are all stored in etcd Kubernetes manifest file, and if we do a grep with etcd, we can see all the certificate locations, and we can take that and perform a backup. So this is the command, etcd ctl snapshot save, and the location where I want to save, it's tmp etcd backup, and I have to specify the CA cert, the PKI, the regular cert, and the key file. So the snapshot has been saved, and we can just check the file. If I just do lsla, so it's saved at that particular location. So I have just confirmed that, and now I have to exit as the root user. Okay, so exit, and now I'll create one more pod which will be like after I took a backup. So I have created another pod. So we'll just see the pod, let it run. Okay. So both the pods are running, before backup and after backup. So now I will become root again, and I will restore it back so that we just have one pod. So first I need to remove all the existing data from the etcd directory. It's in the var lib etcd folder. So I have removed that. Now I will do a restore command, and we will go to before backup pod state. So just run the snapshot restore command, and this is the command. So we are taking the old .db file, and we are saying this will be the data directory. So yep, so that command is successful. Now I will exit root, and I will just do a confirm whether I have gone back to the old state. So just exit. I am back to Ubuntu user, and if I do a get pods, yeah, so if I do a get pods, you can see I have rolled back to the state before I did a restore. Yeah, So this confirms that our HCD restore command is successful. So yeah, that's it guys. This was a quick demo on how to perform HCD database backup and restore. Hope you like this particular video. So please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Bye.